to my channel. Are you considering buying a used car or importing a vehicle from another country? Then you'll likely come across a vehicle inspection report, but do you know what to look for in this report? In this video, I'll break down the key elements of a vehicle inspection report so you can make an informed decision when buying or importing a car. Let's get started. Section 1. Introduction to Vehicle Inspection Reports. A vehicle inspection report is a document that provides a detailed assessment of a vehicle's condition. It's usually conducted by a certified mechanic or inspector and covers various aspects of the vehicle, from the exterior to the engine and transmission. Section 2. Understanding the report structure. A typical vehicle inspection report consists of several sections. These include vehicle information, make, model, year, VIN, etc., exterior and interior condition, engine and transmission assessment, brake and suspension evaluation, electrical and electronic systems check, any additional comments or recommendations. Section 3. Key elements to look for. When reviewing a vehicle inspection report, pay close attention to any major repairs or damage, signs of wear and tear, any necessary maintenance or upgrades, the overall condition of the vehicle. Section 4. Real-life example. Let's take a look at a sample vehicle inspection report. As you can see, this report highlights some issues with the vehicle's brakes and suspension. This is crucial information to consider when deciding whether to purchase or import this car. Section 5. Tips and best practices. Here are some tips to keep in mind when reviewing a vehicle inspection report. Always request a report from a certified inspector. Review the report carefully and ask questions if needed. Consider multiple reports if possible. Don't hesitate to walk away if the report reveals major issues. By knowing what to look for in these reports, you'll be better equipped to make a smart decision when buying or importing a car. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers, offline and online, get their foreign used cars from either Berger Auto Market Lagos or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper, and importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment, then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks, and also be ready to pay above car standard prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.